I'm gonna try it like right from here. Oh my god.
Hey babes, welcome to my channel. Today we're making protein shakes. Yeah! Take 65.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a long-awaited video. I've been promising this video for a long time, but it's here. It's my top 5 protein shakes recipe video. These shakes are as simple as possible. I tried to make them with as little ingredients as possible, but they're also really yummy and all really different. Of course, I'm using my protein from Woman's Best. So we're gonna be using 2 proteins for these recipes, either a chocolate one or a vanilla one. I have recipes for both. I actually will be using the Slim Body Shake and vanilla for some of the recipes, because you can use these recipes for either the meal replacement shake or the protein shake. It's up to you. Woman's Best is my absolutely favorite brand for protein and supplements, and it tastes so good by itself, but I know that having the same flavor all the time can get really boring, and sometimes you want to add things to spruce it up. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All you really need is a blender. I'll go over the ingredients for every single recipe there is, and if you want to shop Woman's Best products, there's a promo code for 10% off. It's Vicky10. So make sure you head to the link in my description and check out the products, use the code, and enjoy. All right, so we're gonna start off with the first recipe, and this one is my favorite. It is a chocolate banana shake. So you're obviously gonna need a banana, cocoa powder. Oh wait, no. Rewind. So you're obviously gonna need a banana, the chocolate protein, and milk. I like to use regular milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, any kind of milk that you want. If you are into peanut butter, you can also add some peanut butter. I'm not a peanut butter fan. I don't like the taste of it, so I don't add it.
That's the chunky one though, it's not the smooth one. It has like chunks of peanuts.
This whole thing has 2,500 calories.
Dum.
If you like it and you're trying to get, the booty gains, or trying to get more calories because you're trying to grow muscles, then yeah, this one's for you. It also has protein on its own, so it's additional protein. So I like to put in the milk first so that the protein doesn't stick to the walls. So I'm gonna add around 250 milliliters of milk. Of course, you can double these portions. It's 2 scooparoos of powder. Wow, this smells so good. And I like to just play it by ear. I don't really measure things out a lot. I just kind of make the shake, and depending on how it tastes, the thickness of it, I either add more milk or more powder or more fruit. How the fuck do you open this banana? Help.
People say do it like this.
Who the fuck says that?
The monkeys. The big banana.
2 banana-y. Yeah, that's what she said. What is it? Oh, maybe. Wait. Okay then, let's try again. And we've got our first super simple shake. It smells really good. Oh my god. Where's the shake? Wait, don't drink it all.
Look, I left it a lot.
So that is protein shake number 1. So protein shake number 2 is going to be a dark chocolate raspberry protein shake. That was a mouthful. We're also going to be using this chocolate protein. So let's go ahead and put in our milk again. A triple berry frozen pack. It comes with blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. And what I do is I just pick out the raspberries like this, and then I can use the fruits for other things. So we're going to go ahead and put this in 2 scoops. To make it a little more dark chocolate-y, we're gonna add some unsweetened baking cocoa. Wow, that's so yummy! Oh my god, let's taste it. Whoa, that's freaking good. Number 2. It's very refreshing. Look how ugly this one looks next to this one. So for the next one, we're actually doing a triple berry smoothie. We're going to be using this vanilla Slim Body Shake, but you can also do it with vanilla protein powder. For the berries, I'm using this triple berry frozen mix. It's blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, 250 milliliters of milk. We are going to do around 3 scooparoos of this, and then the berries. So like I said, I don't really measure it out. I just kind of put in what I think would be a good amount. Yeah, I think this one needs more milk. Oh my god, it tastes so good. And let's do this. So this one here is a triple berry vanilla smoothie. Alright, so now these next ones do get a little more complicated, so bear with me. Just a little bit though, not a lot. So the next one we're making is kind of like an orange sunrise shake. This one is perfect in the morning because you get your little orange juice fix, but as a protein shake. So for this one, you are going to use orange juice, a mandarin, or an orange. It just has to be seedless because you don't want to get seeds in the shake. Vanilla powder and Greek yogurt. We're also going to be adding a little bit of ice to this one to make it more like a smoothie. Then we're going to put 1 big spoon of Greek yogurt. make that 2. You're gonna go ahead and put in the mandarin. You can break it up into little pieces. You're gonna pour some orange juice, and we can't forget the scoop of protein. Oh my god, it's so good. So that was our 4th protein shake, a perfect morning little protein OJ, orange juice. It's delicious. So this last one is a bit more indulgent. It's like for the evenings. It's like a little cocktail. It's a protein pina colada. So for this one, you are gonna need vanilla powder, pineapple juice, some pineapple chunks, coconut cream. So we're gonna start off by putting in the pineapple juice, 250. We are gonna add some ice to this as well. So I'm gonna put around 2 pineapple chunks. So I'm just gonna put 1 big spoon coconut cream, vanilla powder. I'm gonna try it like right from here. Oh my god, babe. Hold on, the ice still needs more shaking, but oh my lord. So because this is a cocktail, we're actually gonna be using a little cocktail glass. I'm also out of regular glasses, so we're having this. If you like pina coladas. You can also add some rum to this, make it like an alcoholic protein pina colada. Wow, babe. No one has it on me for pina coladas.
Wow.
So these are pretty much my top 5 protein shake recipe drinks. We have the first one, which is a chocolate banana shake, which Jonathan drank like almost all of it. We've got the second one, which is a dark chocolate raspberry one. It is so good, especially if you love raspberry. The triple berry vanilla smoothie is number 3. You've got your morning protein shake here with a little bit of orange juice to kickstart your day. And in the evenings, once it hits 5 o'clock, but you still need a little bit of protein in your system, you can make a protein pina colada. It is delicious, especially on a hot summer day. I like to drink by the pool or outside. It's so good. Like, wow. Babe, bring the rum. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this gave you guys some ideas. And if you try any of these recipes, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What you think of them, if you like them. And if you want to shop the protein, you can go ahead and head to the link in my description. Woman's Best Protein is the shit. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.